Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to backup and restore WhatsApp messages on Android. So first of all we will go into the WhatsApp mobile application, and on the top right side corner you will see three dots and you have to click over that, and just you have to choose the last option, that is settings. Okay, now you have to click over the chats, which is the second option, right? And after that you have to scroll, and in the last you can see there is a two option, that is a chat backup and chat history. You have to click over chat backup, and after that you can see here the option that you are getting here, that is backup. So basically you have to backup, and below down you can see that you can also backup using Google Drive. So you have to select when you want to backup. Only when I tap the backup, or daily, weekly or monthly, you can choose according to you, according to your data, and however you wanted to do it, right? So basically if I click on the backup, it will just back up my messages, and whenever I just change my phone or my WhatsApp, or when I log out from a WhatsApp and I re-log in it, I can literally back up all my data and everything in the new WhatsApp. Or this is it guys. So I hope you found this video really helpful, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.